Hey guys, good morning. Let's talk about giving today. Giving your best to everybody that you're dealing with, you're spending time with. So just give the best. This is my advice, my experience. When I give the best to my family, my friends, my workers, my clients, whatever they need, just give them the best. You will be rewarded with so much. You will be rewarded with happiness, with just good feeling that you're helping others. You will be rewarded by very happy people that are just going to make other people happy. And with money, when it's come to business, if you give the best to your clients, you're just going to get rewards by lots of money. And if you do something good and you give, just scale it. Make sure that you can scale the business, that it's not going to be only one-on-one, that you can do it to as many people as possible. You want to be successful? Do something good and do it a lot. Do it good and do it a lot. As much as possible, as many as possible. Okay, this is my few cents for today. I hope I'll help you how to be successful and happy and make other people happy and successful. Okay guys, I'll talk to you later. Bye bye.